More importantly, to be part of
আমি বাংলাদেশ ইকোনমিক জোনকে ধন্যবাদ জানাই। বিডাকেও এত চমৎকার উদ্যোগ নেওয়ার জন্য ধন্যবাদ জানাই।
the BSS and the BESA and all the other officials. So we are the first one to move into the BSS economic zone.
আমরা সিঙ্গার বাংলাদেশ লিমিটেড বাংলাদেশ ইকোনমিক জোনের প্রথম ক্লায়েন্ট।
Bangladesh for over 100 years, we are taking another step to grow along with the country plans. So we are really happy, and we have invested almost $78 million in the first phase, and we have started the manufacturing, and we are the first one to start manufacturing the BSS.
সিঙ্গার এরই মধ্যে বাংলাদেশে $78 মিলিয়ন ইনভেস্ট করেছে এবং ভবিষ্যতে আরও বিনিয়োগ করবে।
To support the economy. The question is, the challenge now globally is something so normal. So Bangladesh is not exceptional. Ever after COVID, I'm sure all of us have gone through these challenges. It has become normal. So as we have gone through in Bangladesh for over 120 years, this is another episode that we are going through. I don't want to talk too much about the challenges, but we as a company, we are confident. We are confident, and that's why we invested $78 million, and we will invest more. Bangladesh is rated as a land of opportunities.
Thank you.
Unfolding all these challenges, we believe the country will grow. More importantly,